Yep.
Yeah, okay, go ahead, man.
Okay, so you can see my camera, right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm Van. Van Fan. I'm from ASW New York. I'm working on the wireless perception part for the robots. Today, I'm going to live demo the module that Volcom just mentioned. This is a full surface proximity and contact detection module system. That this system works on pretty much any surface we tested. Here, what you are looking at is a standalone module for this demo purpose. And take a departure from traditional proximity or contact sensing method, which depends on the sensing angle or the sensing direction, such as this camera. They have a fixed sensing angle. Our methods, we develop a novel and low-cost sensing modality that enables no dead spot sensing across the entire surface. Let me turn on the system. Second, it's running calibration. Okay. As you can see here, this is a raw signal from the system, and this is system output indicates if it's safe or not safe. And under the hood, we deploy a single piezo transceiver pair. There's only one transmitter, one receiver. And when we apply an ultrasound excitation signals on these piezo elements, the entire plate got transformed into an acoustic waveguide. So the elegant part is there's also a little bit leaky acoustic signal surrounds this entire surface, so that anything stays close to this surface or contact with the surface will be detected. As another thing you can see here, if I approach, the signal is very, very weak on the raw signal, but external noise, such as my voice, is obviously visible. And I can also do things like this. There's no false alarm. Why? Because we painstakingly design a set of signal processing algorithms and a deep learning framework to extract the tiny change that helps us robustly do the proximity detection. To put a more extreme example, I can play a piece of loud music. Now you may hear the music is being playing, and you can see the music signal is here. But at the same time, there's no false alarm. And at the same time, I can also do proximity detection thanks to our algorithms. And also, the system works with pretty much anything we tested. A piece of paper. And also things like transparent bag that camera might find trouble to detecting. You can see here, detected and contact detected. And I can touch very softly, still detected. And collision very loud, detected. Yeah, that's pretty much my live demo. Next, I will go through a video that's show how it can be used for actual robots. Could you play the video, please? Thank you. So here you see the raw signal in the screen. That's a proximity signal. You can see this. We use this signal pattern to do proximity detection. And when I use my hand to approximate from the backside of the sensor, it still detects. So it's a no dead spot proximity detection system. And this demo shows the actual robot stop right in front of the obstacles, use the acoustic wave. And this demo shows stopping around for my hands, and also a novel subject, which is my pet, and also a novel subject, which is an old vacuum tube, still detects, and also another novel subject in the backside of the sensor pair, and it detects. And also with dynamic scenario that I have a moving wood road, it still detects. And this demo shows that the same system can detect a contact, a collision, when the robot is performing a relatively more complicated task. This is a pruning task. And when I do contact, it can detect with all kind of item I tested. And if I inject noise, there's no false alarm as well. And finally, this is a demo using SAM plate you see, but we demonstrate we can also do contact localization accurately. So I use my finger to contact. I use different fingers and detect my contacts and detect where I contacted. Sorry, it's a video post. Okay. And we tested this experiment across days. Actually, we didn't show this in Open Lab, but this is our very latest results. Okay, so as a conclusion, the end target for this project is not just like 2 or 3 papers. We would like to collaborate with teams that are interesting and hope it can be beneficial for the next billion of Samsung products. And this is my video. And please hand over my camera to my colleague Helen to show the reference application, grasping application. Thank you.
Great. Okay, good. Hi. So